Hi everyone, this is Tom Larson of Tech Training for Teachers. I'm excited to talk today about inserting audio into your Google Slides presentation. If you're like me, you've been waiting for this feature to hit your domain for a while now, and we thought we'd go ahead and put out a tutorial to show you exactly how this works. Alright, so to get started, what we want to do here is create a slide that has images on it that we'll be able to click on and hear audio played. Alright, so a couple things that we have to do on the back end before we can assemble the presentation here. We have to create the graphics, and then we also have to record the audio. Alright, and I will be providing a link to the Google Drawings that I've created, as well as a direct link to the Google Chrome extension Cloud Audio Recorder. Let me click on this tab, and what you see here is a Google drawing. Basically what I've done is I've added a shape, and then I just typed some text on top of that. I then exported 3 of these images into my Google Drive, and they are available now for me to use in my presentation. The other thing that we need to do is record some short phrases. So I have good morning, what time is it, and how are you? 3 separate audio files I need to record in Spanish. Alright? After you've installed the Cloud Audio Recorder Chrome extension and you have it set up, it's time to make your recordings. Alright, we'll go ahead and begin with good morning. We are ready to start recording our first track. Click Start. Buenos dias. Alright. Google Slides allows you to use MP3 or WAV files. We'll choose Export as MP3. Next, I'll choose Save to Google Drive. Alright, so I don't have to go hunting and searching for my files. I'm going to go ahead and change the Save folder here in Google Drive. Alright, I want all of my audio files to go right here. So I'll choose that. Then I want to give this particular audio file a name. This is good morning. Alright, we'll click Change. And now Save to Google Drive. Okay, let's close out of this. And we're ready to do our next one. ¿Qué hora es? All of our audio now has been recorded. Let's jump back to Google Slides. Click on the Insert menu and then choose Audio. Here's my most recent ones. I'll choose How Are You? Alright, here's the audio file. Next, I want to replace this with the graphic that we created back with Google Drawings. Alright, so with the object selected, click Replace Image, and then go to the directory containing your graphic. In this case, it's my Google Drive. Choose the graphic, and then click Replace. There it is. That's a little bit small. We'll resize it. There we go. Looks like Google Slides is cropping off part of this image, so we'll fix that. With the image selected, choose your crop icon, and then drag your handles to the right and to the left until you can see your whole graphic. There we go. Let's test this out. Click Present. ¿Cómo está usted? Looks like it works just fine. Let's exit back and do our other graphics. Again, Insert, Audio, alright, let's replace the image from our drive. Here it is. Click Replace. Okay, again we'll resize this. Click your Crop Image tool. Drag out the ends a little bit so you can see your whole image. There we are. And we'll resize it just a little bit. So it's about the same size as our other graphic. There we go. Looks like we have one more to do. Okay. Next, we'll select all of them. Choose Distribute horizontally. There we go. Now I will center that. Okay, that's it. Let's go ahead and play our presentation, see if everything works. Click the play button to hear the phrase in Spanish. Okay. ¿Cómo está usted? All right, I'll just do one more. Good morning. Buenos días. All right. And there you go. If you need to change anything about the audio, simply select the audio file here, go to Format Options, and you can adjust how it plays back with these setting controls right over here. Now, if you're working with an audio file that is a little bit longer, perhaps it's musical, you may want to choose to have it start automatically or loop. All right. I should also point out that you can adjust the volume with these audio clips as well. Thanks for watching today's tip. If you have any questions, feel free to email me. And if you like videos like this, be sure to subscribe.